In this video, we will cover how to import tile plans from SMS to the InCommand 1200. Using tile plans created in SMS is a convenient method for importing survey lines into the InCommand 1200 for tile installation. Once your tile plan is created, we need to export it from SMS and import the Agsetup file into the InCommand 1200. The Agsetup file can be exported to Agfinity or to a USB. For this example, we will be transferring the Agsetup file with a USB. Insert your USB in the display. Tap the menu in the upper right-hand corner, then tap Data Transfer. Next, tap Import Setup. Select your USB device. Then navigate through the contents to locate the Agsetup file. Tap to highlight the file, then tap the next arrow. Verify that the management items and products are correct before continuing with the import. Tap the next arrow. This screen displays new, modified, or conflicting items that are being imported. If you have conflicting items, please refer to the Agsetup Conflict Resolution article on the knowledge base. If there are no conflicts, tap the green check. You have now successfully imported your tile plan. Tap the green check. Tap the back arrow to return to the home screen. Next, we need to load the tiling configuration to display the tile plan and begin installation. Tap the water management icon. With your tiling configuration selected from the drop-down, tap the next arrow. Select your grower, farm, and field from the drop-down. Then tap the next arrow. Tap the green check to load the configuration. You will now be presented with the map screen. To select a survey line from the imported tile plan, tap the Mode button. Verify Auto Tile is selected from the drop-down. Then tap Install Mode. On this screen, we will be selecting the surveys we plan to install on. If tile has already been installed in the field, those runs will be present on the map if the Show Installed box is checked. If you wish to remove any surveys, select the appropriate survey from the list, then tap Remove. To continue with the installation, select the survey that you will be installing on first. The corresponding line on the map will be highlighted in red. Tap the next arrow. In the Modify Auto Tile design screen, you will be presented with a target profile that Intellislope will use to control the install. The profile is based on the topography and the parameters at the bottom of the screen. The parameters can be adjusted to fine-tune the profile or fix any interferences. You can also use the drop-down menus to select the tile type and tile product. To add a new tile product, tap the green plus. To edit existing tile product, tap the wrench. For further information about the parameters or tile products, please refer to the Intellislope Feature User Guide. Tap the green check when finished. You will repeat this process from the Mode screen for each survey you wish to install tile on. You are now ready to install tile with Intellislope based on plans from SMS. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our channel.